Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how to. So today I'll be teaching you on how to put a promo code in PrizePicks. So the first thing that you'll need to do is to go ahead and open your web browser and then go to the prizepicks.com. Now just click on the sign up button right here at the top, and then you will be redirected to the sign up page. Now you can see it takes a few seconds for the app or the website to load, and here you'll need to enter your email and then a promo code. Now you can see there's already a promo code in here, but if there is no and there's none, you can enter the promo code in here that you've gotten from someone, so you can just type it in here. And here you can click on the continue option and you can follow the rest of the steps. So for step number 2, you have to enter your name, and then next is to enter your date of birth and enter your address, and the last one is to create your password. Now the question is, when will I receive my new user bonus? For most new user promotions, you will receive your bonus instantly. Other promotions may require an event to happen. First, for example, is a predetermined QB must complete a pass for those promotions. You will receive your bonus within 24 hours of the event, so you can see if it's a promo code with a bonus that you can get instantly. You get it right after you sign up, otherwise, you will get it within 24 hours. And that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how to videos next time. Adios.